Hey there students, it's Mrs. Tasha Morelli here to help you learn the different parts of your trumpet. Alright, so take it out of the case. You're going to put your mouthpiece in, and that is actually the very first part of the instrument that we want to identify. This is the mouthpiece, and this piece right here, the mouthpiece receiver. It receives the mouthpiece, right? Tiny twist, that's it. Never pop it. This right here is called the valve cap. It comes unscrewed. It is supposed to do that. The valve cap. This right here is a valve. Inside the valve casing, which is this whole metal piece, this whole like big metal tube, inside the valve casing is the actual valve. It's real big like this. It goes inside the whole piece right there. So this is a valve, that's a valve, that's a valve, and they are numbered 1, 2, and 3. Number 1 is close to your mouthpiece. All right, next. Actual valve. Over here, this is called the pinky ring. A lot of people think you're supposed to put your pinky in it. You put your pinky on top. Pinky ring. Next, we have the bell. We already talked about this. The bell is where the sound comes out. This big piece here that moves in and out is called the tuning slide. Be careful not to take it all the way out. You do want to leave it out just a little bit, and you also want to make sure that it moves. If it doesn't move, let us know. Down here you have what's called a water key, or sometimes called a spit valve. You probably have two. You have one here on the tuning slide, and you have one over here. This piece over here moves. It is called the third valve slide. Why is that? Because it slides, and it's attached to the third valve. Third valve slide. It moves. There's probably a piece holding it on. There might be a plastic piece or a piece of metal underneath here. On the third valve slide, you have a third valve slide ring. Third valve slide ring. Over here is the second valve slide. The second valve slide comes out, goes back in. It is attached to the second valve. This is also what we called the nose of the trumpet. Attached to the first valve is the first valve slide, and you might have a thumb hook. So here they are very quickly. Mouthpiece, mouthpiece receiver, valve caps, valves, pinky ring, bell, tuning slide, spit valve or water key, third valve slide ring, second valve slide, also known as the nose of the trumpet, valve casings, first valve slide, thumb hook. Practice up, and I'll see you at your next lesson.